They say I'm too hot. Wow, wow. The haters say I'm too hot. Yo, it's liftthepartyja.com. Can you hear me? Good. It's the Kid Champ, fully lawless. Mad.
Yeah, Lift the Party, JA. And I want a few day, every day, lifestyle. Big up.
Boom.
Big up Lift the Party, JA. Big up my friend, everybody will love Chuggy. Big up Lift the Party, JA. When I send a live Chuggy to turn. Yeah, big up to us. Roll out. Big up Lift the Party, JA. Right now, Chuggy loaded. Turn up the vibe. Crazy. And don't forget to buy quality. Lift the Party, JA.
Shush. Yo, you don't know Chuggy today, you know. You don't know Baby Sham book feet, you know. Lift the Party, JA, you know. No back chatting on the DJ touch the stage. Chug it are the biggest chug it is. Fully lawless. No back chatting. Boom, Baby Sham book feed. Boom, lawless. This Wednesday. Picture perfect. Loud.
Lift the Party, JA. Young John's just checking a chug it. I don't know the whole place. Fuck up. Young John's just on the way. Fuck up the party. In it. Remember Instagram Saturday. Every other Saturday. Starting April the 4th, innit? So April the 18th the next one. Instagram Saturday. Fuck up, or buck up on Instagram. Innit?
Chug it, turn up straight. Middle way girl things. Along Pammy, chug it nice. Big up my nice clean friend them. Stay go, deal with it. Yeah, deal with it. Yeah, me a say video me na come clean. Big up chug it in Lord. So my friend them that tell me na Lord. And the friends pick up your damn self. Talk for the mic, you never know. Yeah, me a say big up that chug it in Lord. Big up my friend them Lord. Last time up. And I wear this, Sasama. The chug it and never happen nice, so can go on in. Fish, boy, big up on your friends.
Somebody gonna go one. Yeah, take your time, yes, baby. Woo, yeah, not Jesus. To the poor lady. La. Woo. I'm gonna force that thing for you. Yes, baby. I'm on the poor, baby. All the poor here, I'm baby. Whoa.
Let me tell you something. I'm from day one. That's your word, you have it. And that's not clever. It's a warning. That's what I said. Give me something to say. Who knows that you're a son of a bitch? I don't know. I love what I'm about. No, what the fuck I get back? Tell them that I know how. Who's that? Who? Which got up the book? I wish I got a good man to go. I wish I got up when I said it now. So it's all right, I know what that's what they go. I wish I got up the book. I wish I got a good man to go. I wish I got up when I said it now. So what you do? Get up the dance. Get up the dance. Get up the dance. Get up the. From you up on the top to one, can I get up? Let me get up. Get on it. That's your son. Give me some of this. Hey, that's your son. to school now. 1995, at age 15, we graduated from Calabar High School. We have a lot to life, green and black. When you graduate from Calabar, it's December right after graduation. That's on the drop. You see the original baby song from there. You get to me and say that's what? Strange things are happening. Strange things are happening. Put that in the boy, you come and have that scene. Must tell this one man coming to Babina to win him on the line of the arena. We have it. We have it. We have it up in the arena. Woo! Where's the commercial? Cause they're shooting. Every proud Jamaican, put up here. Jamaica, Jamaica, we have to leave and tell you to order here how we have to let Jamaica people. Here's some of the lovely originality. But as I'm beginning to say about the quality, it's so good to see us and to my family. All of the young and I said the block of president. That's what I said. See, I have someone who loves bananas, so I want someone. Give me somebody, friend. Who's no one, but I'm doing it who wanna take a flower. Too hot, too low, so when I got things to start a motor, who I have no one. Because when I look up in my spots, every nigga wanna pull up on my rocket. The man of us spent on the yonder. The man of us spent on the yonder. Tell them I'm over here on the fence. What is in the guns in a bed, I'll be there. All I'm getting there, I get it, and I said that no one will do anything. I remember one really I'm ready to rock it. But I'm never looking at it because it is perfect. Hands popping up, cars popping up, bottle rocking free and get it clear. We're happy about it. Because we need power, yeah, I don't know paper. Get them niggas try, I'm to the paper. Motherfuckers try, talking that paper. They didn't know this for the fucking people that took paper. Yeah, this man talks about how we get it paper. Drop a bomb on the girl like a dirt paper. See the party. Everybody rock up on it. Remember this, the road to success is not straight. There's a curve called failure, loops called confusion, speed bumps called friends, and red lights called enemies. Caution signs called family, and flat tires called drops. But if you have a spear called determination, and an engine called